Look what I have here. And to this camera as well. Is the new PITAKA Pita tag for AirTag. Doesn't look like somebody familiar? Apart from it looks like a little house. Looks like a character. What's up guys, it's a foreigner once again, and today I'm gonna show you something really nice. Let's take this baby out. Doesn't it look nice? Really nice. Classy little black box, minimalistic style, with a little protective film which we're gonna peel off. Okay, and this looks really nice, so smooth. It's actually smooth. You can feel it solid. Oh, the keyring, nice and shiny. Oops, the box is down. And an envelope, it says contains quick guide, screwdriver, and 2 screws. Whoa. Instruction. Looking at this, there is a hole right here. Can you see me through? There is another hole in the keyring. Keyring gets into this one. Oh, okay, and the screw gets through. So this reminds me of a joke that we used to do back in the days. Ooh, look, there is a hole in this. Guess what it needs? A screw! Funny, right? Funny guy, I know. I'm special in all the possible meanings. So you actually get a spare screw. Get this one out of the way, and there you go. And he does have a carabiner. The camera will get it. This looks really nice. But to take the cover out, have to push on this and rotate. It even says on it, close, open. Yay, stylish. Look at that. I love it already, and I did not even check on the multi-tools. First one is right here, and oh, is the knife. Look at that. Look at that. This would be a huge sale in South London. Oops. Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah! Look at that. Oh, is the flathead screwdriver, and oh, is there one more here? Yeah, it's actually an Allen key. Oh, yeah, look. Hey, look at the little thingy here. Let's put the tools away safely. Be careful with the knife. It's only about 1.5 centimeters, so half an inch long, so it's alright. But now let us put the AirTag inside. Got them. Oh, my car keys actually. Yeah, it's right here. So I've been using this. It's the one that I bought from Apple directly. Taken off the key ring. That's why I won't lose my car key. The leather is smooth, but it's already changed its color, because of course got dirt on it and wear and tear. I've been using this one for like almost a year. Bye bye. Open, so just press against it and rotate it counterclockwise to open it and clockwise to close it. Just straightforward. Let's put the AirTag. Oh, it actually has a serial number inside. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. And let's try to align the Apple logo, and yay, happy days, here you go, perfectly aligned, hopefully. It's really nice. It's literally, it's one of the best accessories that I've ever had. I love it already. Let's attach it to the key to see how they look like. Nice. You can actually get rid of this keyring and use just this one, but for the sake of the presentation, just gonna do it like that. I can spend probably 3 hours to remove this one. So yeah, happy days. Really happy with this one. When you do this camera right here. Yep, proper stuff, and actually it's an opportunity. You can have a play with it whenever you get bored or waiting for something to happen. You can just take the little figurine out. Oh, I am the Apple character. Dun, 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 dun. I'm acting childish. Yeah. Actually, it looks like 2 cartoon characters-ish. So I'm gonna have one on this side and the other one on this side, and let you guys know which one do you believe resembles the most. Personally, I think it's this one or that one. Yes, this one for sure. But yeah, anyway, quick word about the company that produces this, PITAKA. So you can get accessories for the AirTags, you can get accessories for iPhones, especially cases. They are manufacturing some proper quality cases. You can check on their website, it's ipitaka.com. They have a bunch of really good products. You can see proper craftsmanship on them, proper quality. They're using some really impressive materials that have been used mostly in the aerospatial industry, so proper industrial grade. PITAKA uses sustainable materials and recycles almost everything they produce as much as they need. They don't overstock, so they are not wasting space. They don't create unnecessary pollution. They are really environmental friendly. I'm just gonna play with it from now on, like continuously. It's really nice. It feels nice. It feels premium. Leave it here for the time being. Yeah, like that. With the PITAKA logo. Yeah, that's really fun. Say you are on the underground or on the subway or public transportation, and out of a sudden one of the bars is just falling or is loose or whatever, and you want to save the day and you want to do something about it. You would think for yourself, that would be so nice if I would have a Phillips head screwdriver with me so I can tighten this loose bolt or screw, and then you suddenly remember, ooh, I do have the PITAKA for AirTag. They pull the Phillips screwdriver head out and tighten the loose screw, and you saved the day. Isn't that really likely to happen? Let me know if you've ever faced such situations. Fancy and good looking accessory for your Apple AirTag. Really nice. If you like it, you should get one. Also, you can check the Amazon link down in the description, or you can get it directly from their website. It's up to you. See you guys later on. The only thing I can think of is, oh, this is so nice, so I like it a lot. Have you seen